Now you see social chain page number 52, a home state. Assam state got its present name from the Ahoms, a tribe that ruled much of the state from the 13th century until the establishment of British rule in 1838. They originated in the Chinese provinces of Yunnan and began migrating into Indochina and northern Myanmar, formerly Burma, in the 1st century. In the ancient time, Assam was a part of Kamrup, a state with its capital at Pragya Jyotispura, modern Guwahati. This ancient kingdom includes roughly the Brahmaputra Valley, Bhutan, Rangoonpur region now in Bangladesh, and Coach Bihar in West Bengal. Assam was ruled by various dynasties, the Palaj, Coach, Kacharis, and Sadia, and there was constant warfare among these clans until the arrival of the Hong in the 13th century. The Ahoms crossed the Patkoi range from Burma, Myanmar, and conquered the local chieftains of the Upper Assam plains. In the 15th century, they were dominant power in Upper Assam. 2 centuries later, they defeated the Koch, the Kacharis, and other local rulers and gained control of Lower Assam up to Golpara. One of the greatest achievements of the Ahoms was to stem the tide of the Mughal expansion into the Assam. The Mughals made repeated attempts to conquer Assam. Finally, in 1661, Aurangzeb deputed Mir Jumla to conquer Assam. He attacked the Ahom territory in March 1662, forcing Ahom king Jayadwaj Sinha to retreat to the hills. The force present pestilence and continuous harassment by the Ahoms compelled Mir Julma to sign a peace treaty in 1663. Again in 1671, a great battle was fought between the Ahoms and the Mughals near Guwahati, in which Mughals were defeated. The power and the prosperity of the Ahom reached its zenith during the rule of King Rudra Singh. However, the Ahom power began to decline in the second half of 18th century. Internal dissensions and constant wars weakened the kingdom. In 1818, the Burmese invaded and forced the Ahom king to leave the country. Finally, the British intervened in 1826 and threw away the Burmese from Assam. By the Treaty of Yandabu, Assam came under the dominance of the British. Thanks.